Let's learn how to use the blur effect in Davinci Resolve to make some areas of your video private. Let's start by bringing in an image. Jeff Bezos is signing into his bank account, and his passcode is ABC123. We gotta blur that out. Okay, we have our item selected that needs the blurring, so let's go to our color tab. In our color page, let's click on this, the window button, and this, the square or rectangle. And let's drag it over and adjust it to cover the area where we will blur. And now that you have your area selected, let's click this button, the blur button, and drag the radius up until it's totally blurred. Okay, so that's how to blur an image. And now let's do blurring in a video clip. Let's drag this video clip down. We want to blur this section out, so let's go to our color tab. Even though the image is moving, we will blur this whole area that covers the entirety of that section. Click the window button, and this time let's use a circle. Okay, let's position that here. Resize this down. Okay, now click the blur button again. Drag the radius up, and let's play this. Okay, and there we have it. We have an image that's been blurred out in a video clip, and his thingy is blurred out